papanig yan sila sa taas ngayon. Para po sa inyo to. I also would like to take this opportunity na recognize itong kasama ko sa short film. Guys, next year sana magkakasama pa rin tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin to. Ang daming yun lang po, maraming salamat po. Salamat po sa Ama. Thank you po.
Ang budget po namin sa film na ito ay 3,000 pesos. Naging 5,000 po kasi nag-shoot kami 2 days. Hindi ko po akalaang in-expect ko lang po makapasok sa cinema na yun, nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Kaya ako po ginawa itong pelikulang ito kasi wala na pong kumukuha sa aking artista. Nag-a-apply po ako sa mga direktor na kasama ko ngayon. Marunong po akong umarte kahit papaano, so sana po sa susunod magkatrabaho po tayo bilang artista. Salamat po. Panahon po ito ng mga taga-theater. Mabuhay po ang taga-theater.
I share this award to all my co-actors at higit sa lahat, kay Ms. Gilma Santos, at sa lahat ng extra na bumubuo sa pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
Thank you sa Cinemalaya. Thank you sa Cinemalaya for providing us with a platform to do our out-of-the-box projects. Salamat din sa producers na patuloy na sumusugal kahit na nagkakandalugi-lugi. Pero babawi kami sa extra.
Okay, I'm deeply grateful to Cinemalaya jury and producer, executive producer Mr. Joey Abacan, because actually I was a few days away from quitting and backing out from the competition kasi wala kang mahanap na pera. But thank you, Mr. Joey Abacan, for supporting us. And I have to be honest. I'm happy to receive this award, but this thing will just sit on a shelf and gather dust. Ang totoong award sa akin is if we get a theatrical distribution and
yes!
shows everywhere. Without having to worry about the first day, last day thing, which is always the problem for independent films. Yun talaga yung talagang dream. And that's the only reason why we're doing this, is because to share our films, our stories with everybody. So, yun lang po. Having said that, maraming salamat.
Grabe, lakas maka-Anne Hathaway ng award. Bago po namin sinut ang babagwa, guys, may award na tayo. Bago po namin sinut, sabi ko kay Direk Jason, Direk, gusto ko magpaka-Anne Hathaway. Yung talagang pangit, ganyan, deglamorized. Tapos Anne Hathaway din po yung award. Maraming salamat po. At gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyong lahat na it is not winning or losing that matters most, but the struggle to be heard, to be seen, giving our best performance on the live screen. Thank you.
I really did not expect this. When I went to the audition, sobrang sabi ko lang, okay, just go in there, see what you can do, and kapag may film ka this year, go ahead, do your best, and the experience was more than I wanted, and thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to more projects with Cinemalaya. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Cinemalaya. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to everyone who helped me become the person that I am now and the actress that I am now with this award.
Sa pagtitiwala sa akin, sa pagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon para gawin ang pelikula ito. Picture pa lang nakita niya, sinabi niya na ako na daw. Binigyan mo kami ng konting espasyo sa Cinemalaya para makita ang maliit at makulay namin mundong mga lahat.
Ang unang ko po pong Cinemalaya na inayakan bago mag-start ang shoot? Tanungin nyo na lang po sa kanila kung bakit. Si Paul po ang aking binulabog ng alauna ng umaga at pinasok sa kwarto para umiyak. At para sabihin na, dahil po takot na takot ako sa Hebrew, at hindi po ako natutulog ng 3 linggo para ma-memorize, para maaral, para tama akong masabi.
Last year, I pitched this concept to about 20 film producers at the IFC Film Financing Forum, and the feedback I got was, this project is so ambitious. It's your first feature. You're gonna be in a foreign country using a foreign language, and you know, this is so ambitious. But thankfully, one guy was crazy enough to believe in me. My producer, Paul Soriano.
I pray that this film gets shown not just all over the Philippines, but all over the world. It's a message that needs to be heard, and that's why we produce, we make films. We want people to watch. Thank you guys. Of course, Tony, thank you so much. She had a little cameo. Like Hannah said earlier, I met her last year here at Cinemalaya. That's why Cinemalaya, the committee, thank you so much. Great films are born right here. I told her, I'd produce her film, and I'm the type of person that if it's not crazy, if it's not big enough, then why do it, right? I want my dreams to scare me, and I want, my ambitions not just to be, kept in a box. I want it to be spread all over the world, and I believed in her, and that's all you guys need to do sometimes is just believe, because life will reward you when you believe in good things, and of course if you put God first. Before I wrap this up, I just really have to say this, because when you make films, you want it to touch and inspire people. And I remember after the gala premiere night, I was kind of nervous about this, but people from the Israeli embassy approached me, and they said how they were moved and how this has to be seen in Israel, and I guess for me what was more important was how they can find a way maybe put this law maybe on the side, and let the children of immigrant workers actually live in Israel. And if we can do that, even if just a little bit, I think we've achieved more than this award and more than any film can ever do. So shalom, God bless all of you. Thank you, Team Transit. Maraming salamat. Cinemalaya, thank you very much.
Roy, okay. I just